All our machines are built to last and will keep you cleaning for longer with our 2-year warranty on body and motor. Our products are made for commercial use and built to be functional, long-lasting, and easy to maintain. At Pacvac, we pride ourselves on our customer service, including after-sales care. We have service agents conveniently located to give you the highest level of support and advice with your Pacvac products. Compact and lightweight, the Glide series vacuums are highly maneuverable, giving the user freedom to clean with ease. Glide 300 canister vacuums use 3-stage filtration and can be used with either reusable or disposable dust bags. Each level of filtration captures and retains progressively more dust and dirt down to the finest particles which are caught by the motor filter. 3 stages of filtration produce cleaner quality air, and a HEPA-rated filter is available as an additional option. At Pacvac, we design our vacuums to provide the lowest possible sound output, ensuring comfortable audible levels for the user and minimizing noise pollution.